A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss chapter 11 conic section. So class, in previous chapter or previous lecture I have discussed the theory related to conic section, and I have completed all the formulas related to conic section, parabola, hyperbola, ellipse and circle. So now in today's lecture I will discuss miscellaneous chapter 11. So see, now this is the first question of miscellaneous. If a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter, question is a parabolic reflector it is if a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter, 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, and 5 centimeter deep. Find the focus of reflector. This is our question. See, this is our question. Again see, if a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, find the focus of reflector. So according to question, see from figure. This is the parabolic reflector. This is 20 centimeter in diameter. Its diameter is 20 centimeter. So diameter is 20 centimeter. This is x-axis, consider, and this is y-axis, and you can suppose this is origin. 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep. Its depth is 5 centimeter. This is our figure. Now this is the shape of parabola. So we can consider the equation of parabolic reflector, that is y square is equal to 4ax. Consider equation 1. And now from figure you can take this point A coordinates, that is 5, 10 you can take. This is 5, 10. Now you know, since the point A five, 10 lies on the curve of parabola, therefore this will satisfy the equation. Means we can write 10 square will be equal to 4 times a into 5. And now you can calculate its value a. You can calculate, result is 5. And now you know we have to find focus. So focus of reflector, focus of parabolic reflector that is a, 0, and this implies we can write 5, 0. This is the answer. Now 5, 0 is the focus of reflector. Now see, this is our answer. See, now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is, now question number 2 is, an arch is in the form of a parabola. In the form of a parabola with its axis vertical. With its axis vertical. See, the arc is (10 meter) high and 5 meter wide. At the base, how wide is it? How wide is it? 2 meter from the vertex. (2 meter) from the vertex of parabola. So this is our question. Now see, again I am reading this question. An arc is in the form of a parabola with its vertex or axis vertical. Now the arc is 10-meter high and 5-meter wide. At the base, and how wide is it? 2 meter from the vertex. So consider, I am going to draw the arc. So this is the solution. So first of all, we will consider, suppose this is axis and this is arc. An arc is in the form of a parabola with its axis vertical. So you can take this, or first of all you can draw also axis. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is arc with its axis vertical. Now what will be its coordinate? It's 5 meter wide. You can suppose this line, this is 5 meter, and now you can suppose this axis also, x-axis, and now this is 5 meter. Now suppose this is 2 points A and B, and this is 5 meter, and when you will take this point is as origin, so this point will be 5 by 2 comma 0, and this point will be minus 5 by 2 comma 0, and 10 meter high, its height is 10 meter. You can take this height 10 meter. Now you can take, this is the equation of downwards parabola. This is the equation of downwards parabola. So let the equation of arc is of the form of x square is equal to minus 4 times ay, because you know this is the equation of downward parabola. Now you will see from figure, the vertex of parabola will be 0 comma 10, and now vertex will be, vertex is 0 comma 10, so this one we can write y minus 10. This is the equation of arcs. Now you know 5 by 2, since 5 by 2 comma 0 lies on the curve of parabola, therefore this point will satisfy the equation. So 5 by 2 whole square will be equal to minus 4 times a in bracket y, result is 0 minus 10. Now you can solve easily. A calculation will be 25 by 4 divided by 40 with negative sign. So what will be the result? Result will be 25 by 4 into minus 1 by 40. And now 5 8s are 40, so result will be 5 by 32 with negative sign. So its calculation will be minus 5 by 32. This is the value of A. This is the value of A. Now you will see, we have to find out how wide is it 2 meter from the vertex of parabola. Means how wide is it 2 meter from the vertex of parabola. So you can consider 2 meter from the vertex of parabola. Suppose this is the point, this is 2 meter, and from the vertex of parabola you can consider 2 comma y. So this height we have to calculate. Suppose this is the point y, this is the length y, 2 comma y point here, and 2 comma t also you can take. This is small h, consider this is the height small h. Now this point h we have to calculate. Now see, since this point, suppose this is the point M, also lies on the curve of parabola. Since 2 comma h also lies on curve. On the curve of parabola. So this point will also satisfied. Now equation you know, x square is equal to minus 4 times a. A result you have calculate minus 5 by 32 into y minus 10. This is the equation you know, and now you can put its value. So at the place of y, or at the place of x and y, you can put 2 and h. So result will be 2 square will be equal to, this is 20 by 32 into, this is h minus 10. This is 4, and now calculation will be 4 into 32 means you can reduce from table of 4. 4 5s are 20 and 4 8s are 32, and 8 4s are 32 also. So 32 by 5 is equal to h minus 10. Now you can calculate h. So what will be the result of h? Result of h, see. So this result will be positive, and h calculation will be, so this will be negative, and h minus 10 will be equal to 32 by 5. Now calculation will be h is equal to 18 by 5. 18 by 5. This is h. Now you will see, we have considered, let the arc is 2p meter, 2p meter wide, 2p meter is wide when 2 meter from the vertex. When it is 2 meter, from the vertex. At vertex you can consider A. So this is the y. This is 2p length. Now this length we have to calculate. This is 2p length. So when you will see this distance from origin, you will get 8 because total of height is 10. So you have to put this point in equation. So you will get the value, means p square is equal to, means this length is p, this length is also p. So p square is equal to minus time 4ay, you know formula. So minus time 4a means 5 by 8, you know its value is 5 by 8 into 8 minus 10. This is its value. And now you can calculate easily. Its calculation will be equal to 5 by 8 minus 10, result is minus 2. So 5 by 4. This is p square. P square is 5 by 4. This implies p is equal to root over 5 by 2. And we have to calculate 2p. 2p length is root 5. And the root 5 calculation, or root 5 in square root, we can write its square root value is 2.23. Is 2.23. Now this is the answer. See, this question is completed. All the distance you will measure from origin. Now this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, find the focus of given parabola. Find the focus of given parabola. Parabola is given. See, question is, find the focus of parabola y square is equal to 32x. So in this question, first of all you will see this is the equation of right hand parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. The given equation is right hand parabola. Open in positive direction of x-axis, symmetric about x-axis, passing through origin. Now you can compare from the general term. Y square is equal to 4ax. On comparing, (32) or 4ax, 4a is equal to 32. This implies a will be equal to 8. Now focus that is a comma 0. This implies we can write 8 comma 0. Now this is the answer. Question number 3 is totally completed. Now see,